You type a question, and a few seconds later, an AI gives you a clear, confident answer. It feels like talking to something that understands you, but it does not think the way you do. So what is really happening behind that little blinking cursor? By the end of this, you will actually understand how it works. No math degree, no jargon. Just one simple idea, taken surprisingly far. Here is the secret at the very center of it. An AI like ChatGPT is, at its core, a prediction machine. Its entire job is to guess the next word. That sounds almost too simple to be powerful. Guessing the next word, that is it? Hold on to that doubt, because it is about to get strange. To learn this guessing game, the AI was fed an enormous slice of the internet. Books, articles, websites, code, and millions of conversations. Trillions of words in total. Then it played one repetitive game over and over. Take a real sentence, hide the next word, try to predict it, then check the true answer. Every time it guessed wrong, it nudged millions of tiny internal settings a little, so that next time it would be slightly less wrong. Those internal settings have a name: parameters. A modern model can have hundreds of billions of them, all tuned automatically by this guessing game. Do this billions of times across all that text, and something remarkable happens. The model slowly absorbs the hidden patterns of language itself. Nobody sat down and programmed the rules of grammar or facts or logic into it. It discovered all of that on its own, purely by trying to predict words. So now, when you ask it something, it is not reaching into a database to look up a stored answer. There is no answer filed away in there. Instead, it reads your question and predicts the single most likely next word based on everything it absorbed during training. Then it takes that new word, adds it to the sentence, and predicts the next one. Then the next. Then the next. That simple loop, predict a word, add it, predict again, is what builds an entire paragraph of fluent, intelligent-sounding text. Here's the unsettling part. It does not plan the ending before it starts. It genuinely improvises, one word at a time, all the way through. It even has a creativity dial called temperature. Turn it low, and the answers are safe and predictable. Turn it high, and they get wild and surprising. But notice what is missing. Between conversations, it has no memory of you. It has no feelings, and it has no real sense of what is true. It only knows what word is statistically likely to come next. Truth and likelihood are not the same thing, and that gap causes real problems. This is why an AI can state something completely false with total confidence. People call it hallucination. It is just the model predicting a smooth, likely sounding lie. A sentence that sounds right is not the same as a sentence that is right. The AI is optimized for the first one, not the second. It also struggles with real math, because it is predicting what the next digit probably is, instead of actually calculating the answer. And yet, when you scale this trick up to billions of parameters and trillions of words, prediction starts to look an awful lot like understanding. Which leaves us with the real question of our time. Is that genuine thinking finally emerging, or just a stunningly good illusion of it? Either way, one thing is clear: AI does not think like you. It predicts, and that one simple trick taken to an extreme quietly changed the world. Follow to actually understand AI.